Let us now try to understand how do we solve square root equations when x is on both sides of equality. So we have square root of x minus 1 equals to x minus 3. You can always pause the video, answer the question. I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In case you want to learn from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Well, if you're taking competitive exams like SAT or ACT, it may be a good idea to take some training, solve, and get better marks. Let's get back to the question now, which is square root of x minus 1 equal to x minus 3. So, as a first step, we are going to square both sides. Now, remember one thing, when you square both sides, you incorporate error, and therefore, it is important to check your solution. One more thing which you can see here is square root of x minus 1 means x has to be greater than or equal to 1. So, putting a restriction right in the beginning also helps you to understand whether the solution is within the required domain or not, right? Whether it is extraneous or not. Perfect. So, now we have x minus 1 on the left hand side. Squaring x minus 3 gives you what? It gives you x squared minus 6x plus 3 square, which is 9. So we have a quadratic equation to solve. Let's bring the terms together. So get 0 equals to x squared minus 6x minus x plus 1 plus 9, or 0 equals to x squared minus 7x plus 10. Now this can be factored using product and sum. So we get 0 equals to 10 is 5 times 2. So we can factor this as x minus 5 times x minus 2. And that gives you two solutions. One is x equals to 5 and the other one is x equals to 2. You can see both seem to be within the domain, right? It's a good idea to check solution. Correct? So if I substitute 5 for example, then we have square root of 5 minus 1, which is square root of 4, which is 2. And on the right hand side, we have 5 minus 3, which is also 2. So that works for us, correct? Now let's put 2. So if I substitute 2, then what happens? Substituting 2 will give me square root of 2 minus 1, which is square root of 1, which is 1. However, on the right hand side, we have 2 minus 3, which is minus 1, right? So it is not equal. That means it is an extraneous root. So that is not the solution. Perfect. So it was very important for us to check the solution, mainly because we squared x minus 3 means a negative number was squared, and that is why we got a reason here to check, right? So what is the solution? The solution is x is equal to 5, and that is the only solution, not x equals to 2, right? So x equals to 5 is solution. So I think you've understood why it is very important to check the solution while solving square root equations. Perfect. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.